everyone, welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. Today we're going to be giving you a room tour here of our 1-bedroom suite with 2 queen beds at the Cambria Hotel in Anaheim. The Cambria Hotel is about a 20-minute walk or 1 mile to the gates of Disneyland. Alternatively, you can walk to the Toy Story parking lot, which is about a 10-minute walk or half a mile, and catch the free Toy Story shuttle to the parks. A third option to get to the parks would be to ride the Art Shuttle. The Art Shuttle does have a stop right next to the Cambria Hotel. The Cambria is rated number 69 out of 129 hotels on TripAdvisor. The Cambria is located at 101 East Catella Avenue in Anaheim. We paid for this room out of our own pocket. We booked a 2-queen room, 1-bedroom suite here at the Cambria. So there's 2 queens in the bedroom, and then in the living room there's a pull-out sleeper sofa. In between the beds here, on each side, there's 2 regular outlets and 1 USB for each bed. Another thing that we really love in this room is the backlit headboard, and also there's lighting under the bed, so it would be great night light, especially if you have little kids and you don't want a super bright light on in the middle of the night, but you want to be able to see. It's nice that they have this option as well. This closet in the bedroom has the ironing board, a safe, and also the extra bedding for the pull-out sofa. We really lucked out when they checked us in and they gave us this amazing view room. We can see Guardians of the Galaxy, the Grand Californian, Space Mountain, and the Matterhorn. Way off in the distance, we can actually even see downtown LA. And you can also see Knott's Berry Farm in the distance as well, all their roller coasters. We get asked a lot if the area around Disneyland is suitable for staying for Knott's Berry Farm as well. And yes, it is. It's super close to Knott's, so this hotel would be a great choice for that as well. The bedroom does have a very large TV in it, as well as this luggage rack. This is the only luggage rack in the room. I really love that they've added some more additional storage here for hanging your hoodies, your purse, anything like that. For me, I always like to have somewhere else to hang my stuff other than the closet or the back of a chair. Into the bathroom, this is a great idea for the bathroom. There are 2 showers in here. One is a tub shower combination with the sink, and then in this other extra room is a toilet and a stand-up shower. So if you have a lot of people trying to get ready, or you have little kids that still like to take a bath and not a shower, this is a great compromise here in this bathroom. And maybe you guys can get ready quicker in the morning, like Jim and I will probably shower at the same time since there's 2 showers tomorrow. This shower does have a very tall shower head, but it does have this area down here with the adjustable handheld part. So if this is too tall for you, you can use this part as well. The stand-up shower is very spacious. There is no bench in there and nowhere to shave your legs, but there is a shelf to put your toiletries on if need be. And what I do like about both shower areas in this bathroom is there's overhead lighting, so they're nice and bright and you're not showering and trying to shave your legs in the dark. Now they have this awesome mirror that a lot of the hotels in the area have where it lights up around the mirror, but what's different about this one, and that we've never seen yet in the Anaheim area, is that it's Bluetooth enabled. So earlier, but right before we started filming, we were playing music on the mirror, and we just think that's a really nice extra touch. It's great for background music, or even if you like to listen to music while you're taking a shower, or maybe play some kid tunes while your child's taking a bath. It's great to have that option. Right when you first open the door, you come right into the kitchenette, and it's a great little kitchenette because it has a microwave, a coffee maker, which is pod style. It's not a Keurig, but it's a pod style, and then a full-size refrigerator and freezer. We did want to point out that there are no plates, no utensils here in the room. So if you are planning on bringing food in, you'll need to get paper plates and plastic silverware, or bring your own silverware from home. All of these drawers are empty, so they're just extra storage, and we brought a huge bag of snacks, and then that is in the bottom drawer. Right across from the kitchenette is a very small eating area for 2, and I always say this in all of our videos, anytime there's somewhere to eat that is not a couch or a bed, we really appreciate having that extra space. So this will come in really handy. Right next to the kitchen is the living area. It is very spacious, so you can easily fit a stroller, a pram, and a crib in here if need be. Even a scooter could fit in this area as well if you need it. And the couch is very comfortable, and it does fold out into a bed. There's another TV in this area, which is also the same size as the one in the bedroom, plus an additional chair. There are a couple of outlets in this room, one by the chair, one on this end of the couch, but they're just regular outlets, no USBs in the living area. With the addition of this pull-out couch, this room sleeps 6 people. And then right here, this is the entrance to the bedroom, and the bathroom is also located in the bedroom. At our stay, the parking was $28 a night plus a $10 a night resort fee, so about $38 a day in fees here at the Cambria. We did want to point out that we booked a room that does have water park access. They do have a couple of water slides here and a really nice pool area, and our room gives us access. These are the wristbands for that area. We did notice when we booked that they also have rooms that you do not get access to the water park, and those rooms are obviously cheaper. So just make note, if you're going to be coming here and you want water park access, make sure you're booking the correct room type. If you book the incorrect room type and you do need water park access, you can add that later. Be on the lookout for our experience video here at the Cambria. We're really looking forward to trying out the free breakfast tomorrow morning. And if you want to see a hotel similar to the Cambria, please click the link here. Thank you.